Students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss about the moisture content and definition of moisture content. What are the types of moisture content? How the two types of moisture content are interrelated. First of all, moisture content. It is nothing but amount of water present in a moist substance. Amount of water present in a wet substance or moist substance. Clear? Moisture content is nothing but amount of water present in the wet substance or moist substance. We have two different types of moisture content. One is moisture content on wet basis. Moisture content on wet basis. Another one is moisture content on dry basis. Clear? Moisture content in wet basis is the amount of moisture present per unit mass of wet substance or moist substance. So moisture content on wet basis, WB is equal to amount of moisture divided by amount of wet substance. So this is moisture content on wet basis. Similarly, moisture content on dry basis. It is defined as amount of moisture present per unit mass of dry solids or dry substance. Dry substance is usually called as bone dry. Clear? So moisture content on dry basis is equal to amount of or defined as the moisture or amount of moisture present per unit mass of dry substance or bone dry substance. So moisture content MC on dry basis, suffix BB is equal to weight of or amount of moisture divided by amount of dry substance, weight of dry substance. Here, so moisture content is nothing but amount of water present in the wet substance or moist substance. It is classified into two types. One is moisture content wet basis, another one is moisture content dry basis. Moisture content wet basis means amount of moisture present per unit mass of wet substance or moist substance. Mathematically, moisture content on wet basis is equal to weight of moisture divided by weight of wet substance. Similarly, moisture content on dry basis. Moisture content on dry basis is nothing but amount of moisture present per unit mass of dry substance or bone dry substance. Mathematically, moisture content on dry basis is equal to weight of moisture divided by weight of dry substance. Now I am going to relate this moisture content wet basis and moisture content dry basis. Just listen. Moisture content wet substance means weight of moisture plus weight of dry substance. Dry substance. Clear? Now I am going to relate this one. In order to relate weight of moisture content on wet basis, divide this entire equation by weight of dry substance. Moisture content on wet basis is equal to weight of moisture divided by weight of dry substance whole divided by weight of moisture. Instead of weight of wet substance, I am going to write weight of moisture plus weight of dry substance. So weight of moisture divided by weight of dry substance plus weight of dry substance divided by weight of dry substance. So moisture content on wet basis is equal to weight of moisture whole divided by weight of dry substance divided by weight of moisture divided by weight of dry solids or dry substance plus weight of dry substance divided by weight of dry substance. So on simplification, moisture content on wet basis is equal to, this is kg moisture per kg dry solids. It's nothing but moisture content on dry basis divided by, again, weight of moisture divided by weight of dry solids, moisture content on dry basis plus 1. This is the relationship between moisture content on wet basis and moisture content on dry basis. Now this equation can be rearranged in order to find out moisture content on dry basis. Moisture content on dry basis. It is equal to moisture content on wet basis divided by 1 minus moisture content on wet basis. Using these two equations, if moisture content on wet basis is given, it is easy to find out moisture content on dry basis. If moisture content on dry basis is given, it is easy to find out the moisture content on wet basis. Let us see a couple of examples. Okay, if moisture content on wet basis or moisture content on dry basis, if it is given, dry basis, if it is given 60%, always moisture will be a fraction. It is represented multiplied by 100 in terms of percentage, 6%. So moisture content on dry basis is equal to 0.6. Now I am going to substitute this in this equation in order to find out moisture content on dry wet basis. So moisture content on wet basis is equal to 0.6 divided by 0.6 plus 1. So 0.6 divided by 1.6, near about 37.5%. It is easy to find out the value of this. At the same time, moisture content on wet basis, if it is given 50%, it is given 50%. How can you find out the moisture content on dry basis. So substitute this value here. So 0.5 divided by 1 minus 0.5. 1 minus 0.5. So 0.5 divided by 0.5 is equal to 100%. Always moisture content on dry base will be above 100%. Moisture content on wet basis, it is 0 to 100%. Both these information are very much useful in humidification, air drying and other process industries. Thank you.